Hi guys, today I'm doing a video of Minecraft PE survival, and this is the part 1. I don't know where I'm gonna end. I'm gonna new. Wait, what is this? This is my diamond stuff. Yep, it's my diamonds. I'm gonna start a new one. Survival for you guys. And tell me in the comments if you want to see my diamond armor and my diamond stuff. And tell me in the comments if you want to know the seed. I'll show you the seed. Oh, this is a good place. And I got the new update. Oh, cool. Is this okay? Oh, shoot! There's a bin! Bean! Like this. I got a bean! Bean! Finally, I got one! I keep finding one of those. But yeah, I can't find one, so I got one. That's an achievement. I could make some cocoa beans. Cocoa bean. Tell me in the comments. There's a lot of new stuff in the new update. Do you know the little thing, the new little and the baby animals? They don't drown anymore. They can swim. I can't drown them anymore. Nah. I hate the new. I only like. Oh, a bean again. I saw lots. Oh, there's 3. Oh, give me 4. Nope, I don't want that. Oh shoot, there's more bean. Well, I need to get some more of these things. Or some wood. Also jungle log. So it's okay, I'm using a jungle log. Good one. Now where did I say where? Oh, found one. Where? Oh, this. Oh shoot! I found more. Ugh. I see coal. I see coal. More coal. I need coal. And I need some more wood. Found one. Give me 2. I found more. More oak. More. Why am I gonna keep doing this? Because I don't know what I'm gonna use for this. Tell me guys, how would I use this thing so I pick them up from the trees? Got some more. Oh shoot, I found some more. More. Let's get some more. I'm gonna go there where I spawn because when I die takes a long time to go where my house is. So I hate that thing. So I'm gonna build my house here. And don't judge me of my house because I suck at building houses. Oh wait, let me get this wood first. What is in a bay? Yo, mama is so fat. Your mama is so ugly. It makes Color jealous. Is that good? Tell me if it's good. Because I just knew it from Adnan. Adnan is my friend in Bukan English School. In the school, so Adnan. He's cool. I like him. I like Adnan because he's cool. Cool. I need 64. No, wait. There's fines. Wait. Oh, yep. All the way to the top. I'm gonna build my house in a tree. But I need to make a staircase. How could I make a staircase? Wait. I'm gonna make a staircase right here. I take this thing. Oh, you shoot. I'm gonna make a ladder all the way to the top. I'm gonna make here's this one. And staircase. Boom. Don't care about that. That's the most tallest street. Nope, that one. I think so. No, they're all the same. They're all the same. The same. The same. Gonna make a path to my house. Maybe I need to break this thing. So I know where to go. There. There. It's a glitch. Here's my house. I'm killing the poor tree. Never. I'm gonna kill this poor tree whatever I want. I'm gonna make this grass, tree leaves. There we go. Yep, this is good. I'm gonna put my stuff here. It's this. I don't need doors. Yeah. Peace on the streets. Be there. There we go. I'm gonna build the roof. The roof is the piece of the streets. Wait, I'm gonna put it like this. I might burn the house when I put too much soap. I should have get the coal. Yo. Turn off the thing. I don't want to get eaten, bruh. I need the yo, how would I get them? This is where my house is. Yup. Gonna get this tree. I don't want that tree. I want this tree. So I want this tree because it's next to the water. Damn. Why do I need to do that? Wait, because I'm dumb. What? I find iron? Yo, this is so cool. I don't know where is it. Yes. First. Where is this? I need to get some torches, bro. Torches. Torch. Gotta get some coal. Wait. I gotta get some coal. Wait. Gotta get some coal. Where is it? Oh. I can create coal. You do that. I need some. I need to finish. Wait. I need some more trees. Wait. Here's some light here. Okay. Oh yeah, let's create this thing. I need to get more. Wait, where's the lab? Where's the sticks? Sticko, wait. Ladder. Boom. This doesn't fit. I don't know what that is. To make this thing. Where's the